Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. I can't believe how fast this course has gone. It's really been a pleasure getting to know some of you who I haven't met before and getting to see some students that I've had in the past. This has been a great class for some really deep discussions, and you've done a wonderful job sharing your ideas and your strategies. So for week 6, um, we're going to be looking at strategies to be proactive and get rid of causes for the problems, for the problem behavior that we might see in young children. We're going to look at mindfulness. We're going to look at creating plans to reduce or avoid negative behavior. And we're also going to talk about the difference between punishment and positive guidance. So this week, you're supposed to read chapter 11 in your text, Mistaken Goals, Motivation, and Mindfulness. And then there are some videos for you to watch. I think there are 2 of them this week. And then we actually have 3 assignments this week. You are going to discuss what is mindfulness, and that'll be your initial response to the prompt is, as always, do my midnight on Thursdays. You are expected to do a mini case study that is due next Saturday by midnight, and also do a presentation about the difference between punishment and guidance. Please know that I can't accept any late work in week 6, that I must receive all of your assignments by midnight on Saturday because my grades have to be in, the final grades for the course are due early in the week. So make sure that you budget your time well this week and that you are able to get everything in. I did send you an email earlier today is Sunday, asking you to please do me a huge favor and respond to the course evaluation, just like I have discussed with all of you about the importance of reflective practice in improving our practices. Your responses to the course evaluation help me to reflect on my practice and help me to be a better teacher. So I really appreciate you taking a few minutes of your time to respond to that. As always, I really look forward to our discussions this week and to grading your papers. If you have any questions going into this final week, please make sure that you send me an email. Don't hesitate to reach out. Those of you that have know that I will get back to you very quickly, and we can always set up a time to talk if it's necessary. Again, I can't stress enough that there is no late work accepted this week, so make sure you have everything in by midnight on Saturday. And it really has been my pleasure, and I hope all of you have a wonderful holiday despite the crazy world we live in right now. And I wish you much health and happiness and prosperity. Stay safe, and I hope to see you again in another class sometime in the future. Take care. Bye-bye.